In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make stuffed chicken without rolling it up. Ingredients for this dish: chicken breast, minced onion, some vegetable seasoning, celery, some mozzarella cheese, a can of cream of mushroom. Now, I didn't use this the last time because my kids really don't like mushrooms, but shh, they wouldn't know after they see this video. They've been ate it already, okay? Cream of celery, seasoning salt, some Mrs. Dash table blend, stuffing. There's 2 packs in this box, and some chicken broth. Went ahead and trim some of the fat off the chicken breast, as you can see, and then I cut them in half. Just cut them in half like this. All right. Trim as much fat as you possibly can. Clean them. I have a large sheet pan covered in foil. I sprayed the foil with non-stick cooking spray. Y'all know I add my seasoning to the foil. Then I'm just going to place some chicken pieces on top. Okay, there was 7 chicken breasts in that pack. Purchased that pack from Sam's, $19 plus tax. Cut them in half. You double how many breasts you get. You still got decent sized pieces. Look how thick they still are. So, yeah. Okay. Now I'm going to season the top. Okay. I'm going to chop my celery. Okay. I'm going to continue to chop this up. Okay. I'm not finished with the stuffing, but I'm going to put it to the side. I'm going to go ahead and mix my cream of mushroom and my cream of celery up. I'm going to use the broth to thin it out this time, because you don't need that much for real though. Just a little bit. Now, how much liquid you add to this is up to you, depending on how thick you want your sauce or how loose you want it. So go for it. It ain't gonna be smooth, because y'all know it got pieces of chicken in there and pieces of mushroom, but I want just a little bit looser than that. Okay. I melted a half a stick of the Kerrygold butter. Gonna add that as well. Gonna add some minced onions. I thought I had an onion, y'all, but I didn't. Some vegetable seasoning. So we added that. Now we're going to add our hot water. I'm going to mix that. And it's still a little too dry for my liking. Okay, so that's why I'm going to add the rest of the chicken broth to it. That's why I went ahead and mixed my sauce together so that I can use the rest for my stuffing. And you want to taste this to see if it's seasoned enough for you. I like to also add some Italian seasoning to it. Still too thick for my liking, so I'm just going to use the rest of this broth. Okay, now it's time to place the stuffing on top of the chicken. I'm going back, y'all. I got to make sure all of them got some first. Okay. How y'all been doing? Comment down below. Let me know how y'all been doing. Because I've been a little under the weather, child. Listen. It's been rough, y'all. It's been rough. Now y'all saying, is the girl quitting or what? She ain't quitting unless the Lord tell her to. And he ain't said so, so I ain't going nowhere. Just that have not been feeling well for a minute now. So I don't know what's going on, but y'all pray for me. Those that know the word of prayer. Okay? Y'all know how they say it in church. Those who know the words of prayer, pray for me. Y'all pray for me. That's why I had to pivot and do other things on the channel, so my daughter can help me out, so we can still have some kind of content up here. So y'all won't think I'm gone. Y'all, some of y'all probably thought that anyway. So she about ready to leave us. Videos here and there. Nah, I ain't going nowhere, y'all. Like I said, unless the Lord tell me to. When he say let it go, then I ain't got no choice but to let it go. Now y'all know some of them got more on them than others. Listen, it's okay. It's all good. Cause listen, I got some picky eaters. They gonna scrape all some of it off anyway, so we good. Let's put some up there. I don't want to completely cover all this stuffing with the sauce like this. I mean, if you want to, you can. I know that's how I prefer my stuffing, with gravy. I don't like to eat it like this. If I get her plain stuffing, I don't want it. But hey, to each his own. Let me know how y'all eat y'all stuffing. Y'all like it dry or with gravy? We do leftovers around here. Cause like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna be feeling like cooking tomorrow, so we do leftovers around here. They don't mind. Well, sometimes they do, but hey, they can't cook, so they don't mind. I can't say they can't cook. They don't cook. They don't cook, so they don't mind. There we go. Say it that way. Cause they can cook. Push come to shove, they get in here and do something. Trust me. We're gonna put this in a 375 degree oven, preheated oven, for about 30-35 minutes. We're gonna check it and make sure our chicken reads at least 165. Then we'll check it with our meat thermometer. Make sure the temp comes to 165. 170 for those to be like, it's supposed to be more than that. And I'm gonna add more cheese once I get done. That's just how I like it. And I know some of y'all be like, ooh, need some color. Okay. I'll sprinkle some color up here after it get done. Okay? Because I like colorful food too, y'all. More pleasing to the eyeballs. Yes, it is. Gonna add some color now. Okay, I'm gonna add some smoked paprika on top and some parsley. Y'all got a fan on it. You see how it's blowing? It's blowing about the other way. That's okay. As my daughter sees, she gonna say, it look like Christmas. Everything red and green look like Christmas to her, y'all. I'll place it in the oven. Be back when it's time to check it. I forgot to mention to cover it with foil. And you're gonna leave the foil up there for the first 10 minutes of cooking. Then you're gonna remove it for the remainder of the time. Okay, this is what the chicken look like when it's done. We're gonna check the temp. See, 165 actually goes over, so it's done. Let me cut it open for y'all so y'all can see what it looks like. I like most of the stuffing right there, y'all. See? Y'all see that it's done. And it's not dry. See? Alrighty, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'd appreciate it if you would share my video out. Thanks for watching.